Welcome back to Arkansas Off-Road Recovery, everybody. I'm out in the Ozarks, enjoying a beautiful view on a very, very beautiful day. And I'm going to go down the road here. There's a spot I discovered a couple weeks ago when I was out exploring with my family where there looks like somebody got stuck and left a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna go clean it up. The road that they were on is littered with downed trees, so I'm gonna go try to get all that cleaned up. I got my chainsaw. It's just me today. Everybody else is busy, and I'm just gonna spend a part of a day out here cleaning up a road and enjoying the Ozarks. So you are welcome to come along for the ride. It could be interesting. I have a feeling this road's gonna be really wet. I may not even be able to drive it. I don't know. Maybe too wet and mucky. Looks like we need to have a cleanup here too. Would you look at the trash? Tons and tons of trash underneath this overlook. I need some volunteers to come help clean this up though. I don't have enough manpower. What a mess. Don't throw your trash off the edge of bluffs. You're a lousy human being if you do. Why would you do that to this? It's beautiful. Here's the first tree that kind of needs to be cleaned up. Somebody's already cut it once, but you can see it's gotten all torn up where people have been trying to drive over the logs and stuff, and it gets worse down in there. So pull out the chainsaw and get this one cleaned up. All right, we have reached the exciting stuff. What I'm guessing happened here is someone drove their truck in here and was trying to drive over a bunch of these logs that are down and stuff. and they got stuck real good. And then they probably called a buddy or something, and they came out and yanked on it and tugged on it, no telling what all. Whatever the case, they left some trash out here, including their wheel. Why? I don't know. It's all bent up. When I first found this, this was standing up, frozen in the mud, which makes me think they might have driven into it and then got frozen in place. There's a screwdriver in the water. Anyway, somebody drove in here. They got stuck and ended up leaving their wheel behind. So I'm going to pick the wheel up, because when we do recoveries, we leave no wheel left behind. And I'm going to pick up some of the other junk, cut the trees out. There's about a dozen more trees down on the road down through here. I'll see how many of those I can get cut up today. I've been sick for like the last week, so I had no energy. But let's see what I can get done. Bought a brand new pair of muck boots the other day, and right now I'm wishing I'd brought them. Oh well, maybe I'll keep my feet dry. We'll see. Right about now, I'd like to have a dozer, and I could just push all these trees out of the way and push all these trees out of the way. There's a bunch of trees down. Nobody's driven back through this road in a while. These trees have been down for a while, or at least not past that point. But this gets all the way back to the creek. There's not exactly a camp spot there, but there's enough space you could camp. There's just not a fire ring. So I really want to get it open back up, but it's going to take a while to get these trees out of here. And it's so wet. I'm almost stuck right now, and I'm afraid this I'll definitely get stuck in. I don't know. I'll figure it out. This road is wearing me out. I'm getting tired. And tired of getting stuck with blackberry vine thorns. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Wild blackberries are mean. I think I just got one more group of trees left though. I'm getting real close. All right, I got the road clear all the way to the end. It's not perfect, but it's good enough to drive back in here to the end of this road now. It's just a little dead end road. I've been looking around for a fire ring because it looks like a really good spot. There probably is one, but I don't think this road's been really drivable for a couple years with the trees that were down on it. So leaves have probably covered up the fire ring, but it's just, there's not a lot of space, but it's right on the creek here. So pretty spot to come out and be right on the water. So I might come camp here at some point. Tell you what, the creeks are beautiful right now. It's rained quite a bit. There's quite a bit of water. It's not like flood stage, just a good flow going in the creeks. And they still got that winter green tinge to them. Just beautiful right now. Which also means some of the creek crossings will be a little bit deeper at the moment. So keep aware if you're coming to the Ozarks. There's a fair amount of water running around right now. Not flood stage, but enough that you got to pay attention to the creek crossings or you could get in a little too deep here and there. All right, I think it's time to make tracks out of here. My phone's almost dead. I forgot to bring any water. I'm tired, I'm thirsty. Let's see if we can get out of here. I decided to do a little scouting on some nearby roads and I found a waterfall. There's absolutely no other reason to come down this road because it's boring and it's not much of a road. But this was kind of cool. I'm almost done with it though. So I think this is going to be the only exciting thing. Still cool though. Alright, I'm back out on good road. Appreciate y'all hanging out today, helping me cut some trees off the road. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, and share. That would be awesome to help us grow the channel so that hopefully we can keep doing this and build more trucks and get more tools and be able to do a lot of recoveries. There's no one else offering off-road recovery in Arkansas that I am aware of. So we're kind of the only people trying to do this. So your support is much appreciated. I'm going to go home now. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.